welcome back to my channel. If your skin not looking its best lately, even though you are doing everything you think you should do, it might be because of a few common mistakes, skincare mistakes that could actually be ruining your face without you even knowing it. So on today's video, we are diving into 10 skincare mistakes that are holding your skin back, and I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, over cleansing or using harsh cleansers. Using strong foaming cleanser or products or washing your face too much can strip your skin of its natural oils. This leads to dryness, sensitivity, and even more breakouts. How do you fix this? Use a gentle hydrating cleanser and oily wash your face with twice a day, morning and night. That's it. Mistake number 2, not wearing sunscreen every day. Sun damage happens even when it's cloudy or when you are indoors near a window. UV rays cause wrinkle, dark spots, and early aging. How do you fix this? Wear both spectrum SPF 30 or higher every single day. Rain or shine, no exceptions. Mistake number 3, sleeping with makeup on. I get it. You are tired, but leaving makeup on traps dirt, oil, and bacteria in your pores, leading to dull skin and breakout. How do you fix this? Take it off. Use water and a cleanser balm. Then follow up with your regular face wash. Even if it is midnight, just do it. Try and do it. Mistake number 4, using too much many active at once. Vitamin C, retinol, AHA, BHA, they are great, but combining too many at the same time can seriously irritate your skin. How do you fix this? Active ones at a time. Avoid layering products that don't work well together. Your skin needs time to adjust. Mistake number 5, skipping moisturizers if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Sound logical, right? Less moisturizer equals to less oil. Wrong. When your skin dehydrated, it produces more oil, and that leads to clogged pores and more breakouts. How do you fix this? Use a lightweight oil-free moisturizer every day. Even oily skin need hydration. Mistake number 6, touching your face too much. Every time you touch your face, you transfer bacteria and oil from your hands to your skin, which can cause breakouts and irritation. How do you fix this? Keep your hands off your face. And don't forget to clean your phone screen and makeup brushes regularly. Mistake number 7, changing product too often. Trying everything new every week, that's not skincare. That's chaos. Your skin needs consistency, not constant change. How do you fix this? Stick to a routine at least 6 to 8 weeks before deciding if something works. Patience is the key. Mistake number 8, not washing pillowcases, phone screen, and makeup tools. Think about it. You impress your face against your pillow for 8 hours a night. You talk on your phone and you apply makeup with blushes every day. And all that collects oil, bacteria, and dirt. How do you fix this? Wash your pillowcases weekly. Clean your phone daily and deep clean your blushes every 1 to 2 weeks. Mistake number 9, knowing your skin type. Know your skin type. Using the wrong products like a heavy cream on oily skin or harsh cleansers on dry skin can make your skin worse, not better. Take your time to identify your skin type, oil, dry, combo, or sensitive, and choose products that matches them. And finally, mistake number 10, not getting enough sleep or managing your stress. Yes, it shows on your skin. Lack of sleep or chronic stress raises cortisol level, which can lead to breakouts, dullness, and inflammation. How do you fix it? Prioritize your sleep. Find ways to manage stress because skincare isn't just topical, it's lifestyle too. Alright, that's 10 skincare mistakes that might sabotage your skin. But now you know how to fix them. Skincare isn't about perfection, it's about being gentle, consistent, and informed. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notification so you never miss another tip. Comment below which of these skincare mistakes were you making. No shame, we are all there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.